Now we are going to start the third lesson of Standard 1. The name of the lesson is My Sense Organs. Whether only I have the sense organs, whether you don't have? No. Actually, it is not like that. See here, in the book, there are different pictures of Amit. What is he doing here? First time, he is doing that. He finds some toys inside a bag. So definitely he becomes glad. So how it is possible? So with the help of which organs we are communicating with our surrounding? These are called our sense organs. So here Amit is seeing the toys. So definitely he is using his eyes here. Without eyes, it is not possible to see the toys. So here he is very happy here. And one more thing, it is also able to, not only the toys, you are able to see me. Here all of you are observing the video. So definitely you are able to observe with your eyes only. And you are able to see different kind of foods. You are able to see your parents. If you have any siblings also, these are also possible with the help of your eyes. If you are able to see your friends, that one is also with the help of your eyes. Because of eyes we are able to see the world, beautiful world, the nature of the beauty we are catching. These all the natures, the beauty are catching in our mind with the help of these two eyes. So definitely eyes are very important for us, and you have to take care of those eyes also. Next, see the picture. Look at that picture. Amit picks up a teddy bear and feels it. How we are able to feel? Did you imagine even? Feel means with the help of any touch. Feel whenever you are feeling. See, I hold this one now. So definitely that one is a hurt. So how can I say? That one I can say with the help of touch. That means my skin is telling me that one is a hard substance. If whenever we are going for sleep, that means it may be bed, it may be pillow, those substances are the soft. So how are you able to understand? With the help of our sense. That means sense organ is here skin. With the help of the skin we are able to understand that how hard is it or how soft is this. So our skin is also one sense organs. Next, see here, Amit smells the flower. Yes, whatever we are smelling, that one is only with the help of our nose. Because with the help of nose only we are able to inhale anything. Inhale means, yes, we are inhaling the oxygen and we are giving up the carbon dioxide. That one is also taking place by the nose. That one is another part, but that one is not the smell. We are not smelling oxygen up. So that one is another part. But any kind of smell, the sweet smell of the flower, the sweet smell of the perfume, the bad smell of the any kind of garbage. So these we are able to sense with the help of our nose. We are smelling anything. Whenever you are getting any kind of very sweet smell of any curry, suppose like chicken, whatever curries you love, so those things, so definitely your mouth fills by water. So this is because of our smell. Next, have a look here. Amit likes listening to music. So he is listening music. Whatever sound you are observing me, you are hearing me with your which organ? Your ears. See here, these two are the ears. So ears are helping us to listen some sound. Whatever it may be your teacher scolding, it may be your mother scolding, whatever may be, it may be my voice, it may be your friend's chat, whatever may be, all the things you are listening with the help of your ears. And have a look here. Amit, taste the ice cream. Did you love it? Yes, I love it very much. I think all of you also love. So, ice cream, how can you feel it? With the help of our tongue. Because there are different taste buds, and with the help of taste buds, we are able to taste them different way. That means it may be sweet in nature, that means sweet in taste, it may be spicy in taste, it may be sour in taste, it may be salty in taste, whatever, it may be bitter in taste, whatever it may be. But all the thing is taking place inside our tongue. This portion, this is our tongue. So, have a look on these pictures. See here, that one is the picture of a sweet. That means that one is one kind of Cadbury. This is sour in taste. So all of you are able to see that one is nothing but the lemon. These are the French fries. That one is salty in taste. And this one is a chili. That one is spicy. And if you will say that what about the bitter gourd? Yes, that one is the bitter in taste. So these are the different tastes. So if you don't have the tongue, so definitely you are not able to taste them. You are not able to enjoy the taste of the chocolate, ice cream. So all of you should not only read about the sense organ. Okay, these are the sense organs and what are their works. No, that is not sufficient. You have to care of them also. You have to look into them, because in our country there are lot of people who don't have just like you sense organ. Yes, you are able to see, but those people who are not able to see properly, they are not able to see at all. So for them, imagine how dark is the world. For us, the world is very beautiful, but for them, the world is just like a black. So you have seen these pictures, and with the help of our sense organs only, we are able to communicate with our surroundings. See here, the eyes. Eyes means these are our eyes. With the help of these eyes, we are able to see our beautiful world. So now one thing I would like to say you, I open my eyes. So no, I am not able to see all of you. So you also do. Are you able to see me? I think you are not able to see. What are you seeing now? Just blank. Nothing I am able to see. You are also not able to see, just only the black thing you are seeing. So imagine if you don't have, we don't have any sense organ, that means our eyes, then how would you feel? Definitely very bad. Yes, in our country there are so many people who don't have the eyes. Now next about the nose. With the help of nose, we are smelling something. Now do like this. Do. I am not able to smell anyhow, and I am not able to breathe even. So are you able to understand how important is it? If you will keep it like this for few minutes, we may die even. Can you imagine? So if our nose does not work properly, so it may cause our death also. So next about the skin. With the help of our skin, we are able to feel anything by touching. So whenever we are getting hot, how can you say that you are getting anyone bit you, on that time you are getting hurt, you are feeling pain. So how is it possible? Your skin is feeling pain. You are not, because this is also one part of you, that's why you are crying. But that one because of your skin. Next thing, our tongue. So what the tongue is doing? With the help of our tongue, we are able to taste the different food. Whether it may be sweet, whether it may be the spicy, whether it may be sour in taste. So with the help of our tongue, it is we are eating something also, and it is helping the food. You know that there are saliva inside our mouth. Our tongue is only helping the food particles and the saliva to mix together. So, and one more thing, in the time of cold, if you will get cold, on that time what did you feel? I think you are not able to feel any kind of taste. On that time you are not able to smell even. On that time our nose blockage happen, is it? So on that time we are not able to feel the food tastier, and we are not able to breathe properly also. So are you able to understand? If these two sense organ we doesn't has, then how many problems we can face? Next I would like to talk about the ears. What our ear does for us, it is helping us to hear anything, to hear any kind of sound. So now if you will do like this, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Is it? I don't think so that you are able to hear me, because if you will close your ears, you won't be able to hear me. Not only me, your surroundings, whatever is going on, you won't able to hear. So with the help of these ears, we are able to hear different kind of sounds. Whatever it may be, already I have told you. It may be your friend sound, it may be your computer's music, and one more thing, don't play the high music. And you are doing one thing, very bad habit also, you listening the music in very high volume. Don't do this one, because it may damage your ears also. So always try to protect your sense organs, because without the sense organs we are not able to lie properly, and there are so many people who doesn't has the proper sense organs. And one more bad habit I observed, that you are playing games, and that one also for wild time up to late night. No, don't do this one. This is a very bad habit, and this may cause impact on your health also. Our body is just like a machine. So just think, if you have one machine and it is doing, you are giving the very much pressure to it. Pressure means you are doing lots of work with the help of that machine. So definitely after a few days the machine won't be in that condition to do work. So our body is just like a machine, I told you already. So these also are not able to sustain any pressure. That means if you will not have healthy food, if you will observe the mobiles, and if you will keep playing like that, in that way, which one you are doing? Yes, I am talking about you only. Don't do these things, because it may cause lots of effect on your body. So if you will do these works, that means late night watching movie and the playing games, keep playing games, these things if you will continue to do, and if you will listen the music in high volume with the help of earphones, so this may cause your sense organ damage even. So definitely all of you should be careful about your sense organs. So sense organs are what they are doing actually. They are establishing the communication communications between our body and the surroundings. So definitely these parts are very important to us. Otherwise, we won't be establish the communication with our surroundings. And one more thing I want to tell you that never play with the sharp objects. Just like sometimes you are playing with the knives, no, and it may cause hurt your sense organs. It may, whatever may be, it may be your eyes, it may be your ears, it may be your skin even. So always try to avoid those sharp things, always. And one more thing, always try to have the healthy food. With the help of healthy food, our body parts are getting the nutritions, and with the help of these nutritions, we are able to do work, we are able to see properly, we are able to, sometimes it happens that because of the, do you know that because of the lack of vitamin C, there is our tongue, there become a disease. And if we will know with the help of, with the deficiency of vitamin A, we are not able to see properly. So different vitamins and the different food ingredients are also helping our sense organs to work properly. So always try to, which habits I told you, do you remember those habits? Don't continue, first thing, and second thing, always try to have the healthy food, and third thing, always obey your parents and your teacher. So the homework I have already given you in your workbook, and go through the lesson and prepare well for our online exam. All the very best.